We completely understand that it is not easy to choose one coin to invest in, especially if it is the first time for you to actually do it, which is why we will make sure to include all the essential things you may be interested in. So here we have the top 5 cryptos that have potential in 2022. Have a look at them, and if you are interested, do your own research and then invest. Because this video is not financial advice, it is just for information purposes. But before that, welcome back to your channel Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. TAMADOGE TAMA. TAMADOGE is a new interesting play-to-earn game that will be equally interesting to the people who are looking to dip their toes into the crypto market and the people who only want to play casually. Its native coin is called TAMA, and it is a meme coin with a huge growth potential of up to 100 times its initial price. As we've already seen with other cryptocurrencies, the Twitter community is a pretty great criterion for determining the future value of the coin. At the moment of writing, there are more than 28,000 followers, and the number is increasing as we speak. The beta pre-sale started on July 25th, and it will last until September 2nd. TAMA will be used to unlock all the interesting features of this game. The TAMADOGE game is an ecosystem where the players get to care about their pets from the moment they are born until they are raised, but also play further with them later on. Each of these pets will have a 3D NFT existence that can be traded on the market or sold. Funnel to TAMADOGE means that ultimately the best player will climb up the leaderboard and win the most generous prize. New investors will appreciate the fact that it is KYC'd on CoinSniper, which means it is anti-rug pull and safe for investing. It is the top Wall Street bets crypto to keep your eyes on and invest in. Since it's new in the market, you must be thinking, how to buy TAMA? Beta pre-sale of this token started on 25th July 2022. The beta pre-sale should end on 2nd September, and the general pre-sale, following the pre-sale, will end in Q4 2022. Everyone interested can buy TAMA with ETH or USDT, and there is no minimum amount of money required for the purchase. However, the TAMADOGE team advised everyone who wants to buy the tokens to make the purchase of a minimum of $150 worth of ETH or USDT. The price is $0.01 for 1 TAMA or $100 for 10,000 TAMA. Here's a short guide on how to buy TAMA tokens. Set up your wallet. TAMADOGE uses MetaMask or Trust Wallet to store tokens. Obtain ETH or USDT. You will be able to buy TAMA with these funds. Visit the TAMADOGE website. This is where the pre-sale happens. Make a purchase. Click on Buy, then click on Connect Wallet and connect your wallet. Buy TAMADOGE, enter the amount of TAMA coins you want to purchase, and click Convert ETH. Claim your tokens. Once the pre-sale ends, you can collect your tokens by clicking the Claim button on the website. Number 2. Battle Infinity IBAT. Battle Infinity is the gaming platform and is gaining lots of attention these days. With various games based on the play-to-earn principle that the players will be able to choose from, it sounds pretty exciting and promising. The players who are attracted to these kinds of fantasy sports will be thrilled to hear that there is the possibility of exploring the battle arena, the metaverse space, in Battle Infinity. The players will be able to communicate with others and explore this fascinating virtual world. The native coin of the Battle Infinity ecosystem is called IBAT, and its pre-sale started on July 11th. It is the Wall Street bets crypto that is surely on everyone's minds these days. The soft cap was raised on the 8th day of the pre-sale, and now the hard cap is fully raised, which only says about the faith people have in this interesting and promising project. Its smart contract is audited by Solid Proof, and it is KYC'd on CoinSniper, making it fully safe for investing. IBAT can be bought with Binance Coins, BNB, and then used for unlocking all the interesting features that this gaming platform will be able to offer. There are 6 elements of this ecosystem that the players will be able to explore, and those are IBAT Premier League, IBAT Battle Swap, IBAT Battle Market, IBAT Battle Games, IBAT Battle Arena, and IBAT Battle Stake. Each one of these elements will contribute to the overall experience that the players will get to enjoy. Number 3. LBLOCK, LBLOCK. LBLOCK is an NFT competition platform with a native token called LBLOCK. It is hosted on the BSC, Binance Smart Chain. Since it appeared, the number of subscribers on Wall Street Bets has been getting higher, and with more than 45 members in the Telegram group of LBLOCK, it becomes clear why it has to be on our list of top Wall Street Bets crypto. One of the reasons why people are getting interested in LBLOCK more and more as time goes on is that there will be NFT competitions that will surely bring lots of excitement, but also some interesting entries to prize competitions. Once these NFT competitions get launched, the owners of Platinum Rollers Club NFT will get the right to enter the Platinum NFT prize competitions for free. The Platinum Roller Club only has 10,000 NFTs, which guarantees exclusivity. NFT holders get entitled to many benefits, such as free entry to the NFT draws perpetually. Lucky Block NFT is available on the NFT Launchpad, while LBLOCK can be found on Wallbank and PancakeSwap. Considering that the value of LBLOCK is likely to increase in the near future, it is wise to take all the factors into consideration and invest now while the price is still affordable. Number 4. DEFI Coin DEFC. The native token of DeFi Swap decentralized exchange is called DeFi Coin DEFC. Despite having a rocky start and a number of delays due to development issues, it got launched in May last year. Its value increased incredibly in just a matter of hours. Being closely tied to the DeFi Swap exchange, the value of the coin increases when the exchange grows and vice versa. There are a number of benefits for the DeFi coin owners, and one of the most famous ones is being able to count on a regular income by simply owning them. In the era when everyone tries to create a stream of passive income, it's no wonder why so many people talk about DEFC as one of the top Wall Street bets cryptos to invest in. In addition, more and more investors are turning to invest in DeFi coins because they can easily exchange them for various tokens. There are different decentralized exchanges out there, and each one of them has different rules, but most of them have something in common. The users are not allowed to buy crypto coins by using a bank transfer or credit card. That can be an issue, and it is the reason why it is necessary to have coins that can be bought by using both of these methods and then exchanging them for the wanted coins. However, that is not all. Considering the affordable price, DEFC is a little bit more resistant to market changes, which means that if anything happens in the market, the losses are not so enormous when compared to the price of your coins. Also, there is a strong community supporting this coin, and there are more than 5,000 members on the subreddit forum, while there are more than 6,000 members on the Telegram group dedicated to DeFi Swap. Number 5. Ethereum ETH. All the experienced traders will not start giving advice without you hearing them mention Ethereum. Besides Bitcoin, this is the coin you will mostly hear about in all the possible circles mentioning cryptocurrency. The native token of Ethereum is called ETH, and it was launched back in 2015. Ever since it appeared on the market, it went through huge ups and downs, but regardless of what happens in the market, Ethereum seems to come back up and surprises us once again with the value increase and its good position place on the market. Despite the inability to have any forms of guarantees regarding the price any coin could reach, investing in ETH is always a good idea because of all the positive predictions that the experts have about its price. Even though it is safe to assume that its price will change a few more times in the near future, investing in ETH requires some skill, patience, and letting time to work for you. Some predictions even say that its value will be $4,500, which can be a little bit more optimistic than we should let ourselves be, but is not impossible either. If the changes in the crypto market have taught us anything, it's that anything can happen. Its reputation that it is the first blockchain to ever utilize smart contracts contributes to its high demand for both beginners and experienced investors. These are the top crypto that you should focus on this year and take a deep dive into the crypto market. There is no doubt that a lot of things are happening this year, and we are sure that there will be lots of more things to see. Play-to-earn games and their native tokens surely have a place among other coins. They are bringing a little bit of fun into the whole process, but we cannot oversee other coins as well. Making any guarantees is not possible when it comes to the crypto market in general, but it is very important to sense the beat of the market and act accordingly. We hope that the list of the crypto will help you decide easier which crypto is the best at the moment, and that the decision-making process will be a piece of cake for you and all the other investors out there. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, peace out.